Zendesk versus Intercom, which is the best help desk software? That's the question we're answering today. Both of these tools are top contenders in the help desk space, but they each have their strengths and weaknesses. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal the one I personally recommend after testing them both, and you won't want to miss the special offer I have for you. Let's start with Zendesk. First thing you'll notice is its wide range of features. Zendesk offers a robust ticketing system that helps you manage customer queries efficiently. You can set up workflows, automate tasks, and even use AI to route tickets to the right team member. It's an all-in-one tool, and for large teams, it's a great way to keep everything organized in one place. But there's a catch. Zendesk can feel a bit overwhelming at first, with a complex user interface that requires some training to get the most out of it. Next thing, Zendesk's integrations. This is one area where Zendesk shines. It integrates with a wide array of third-party apps, making it easy to connect with the other tools you're using, from CRMs to social media platforms. However, if you're looking for a smooth, seamless experience, you might run into some hiccups. The integration setup can sometimes be clunky and a bit time-consuming. Now, let's talk about Intercom. The first thing you'll notice with Intercom is its modern, sleek interface. It's very user-friendly, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Intercom's messaging system is one of the best in the game. You can send real-time messages, trigger automated chatbots, and even offer live chat support. If you're focused on customer engagement, Intercom is a top choice. But the drawback? It's pricing. Intercom is notoriously expensive, especially for smaller businesses, and the cost quickly adds up as you add more features. The fourth thing I want to mention is the knowledge base. Both Zendesk and Intercom offer knowledge base capabilities, but Zendesk's knowledge base is more comprehensive and easier to set up. With Zendesk, you can create help articles, guides, and FAQs that integrate seamlessly with the ticketing system. On the other hand, Intercom's knowledge base is good, but it doesn't quite have the same depth or ease of use as Zendesk. The fifth thing, customer support. You might expect help desk software to offer stellar customer support, but both Zendesk and Intercom fall short in this area. Zendesk has a large support team, but response times can sometimes be slow, and finding a helpful answer isn't always easy. Intercom's support is better in terms of speed, but often you'll get generic answers that don't fully resolve your issue. Now, if you're wondering which one is better overall, both Zendesk and Intercom are great, but they're not perfect. Zendesk is more suited for large teams and businesses with complex needs, while Intercom excels in customer engagement with its live chat and messaging features. However, they both have their flaws, and there's another option out there that might be a better fit. After trying both of these tools and considering their pros and cons, I have to say, there's a more affordable and easier to use alternative that I highly recommend. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, with an intuitive interface, powerful features, and a much better price point, I suggest checking out the link in the description below. Through that link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial, giving you the chance to test it out for yourself and see why it's the best solution for your business needs. So, to wrap it up, Zendesk and Intercom both offer solid help desk solutions, but they each come with their own challenges. If you want a better alternative that brings it all together, don't miss out on the link below. Trust me, you'll thank me later.